FlipGrid is an app that we will be using in class to elicit responses in a video form. In order to use FlipGrid, you'll first need to download the app. So go into the App Store on your phone and search FlipGrid. It's this first one that comes up, FlipGrid, with the green circle and the cross in it, and click Get and install it on your phone. Once it's installed, you can open the app. Once you're here, you'll need to click Get Started. First, allow your camera. Say OK. Allow access to the microphone so that you can record video with sound. And then you'll need to join a grid. In order to join a grid, you'll need to enter a flip code that your instructor has already generated. This code will be on the board. So enter FlipGrid. So for instance, a FlipGrid for my first period would be Holtz 1. And I click Go. Then you'll be instructed to log in. The instructors have made it so that you need to log in with your LBUSD email, and if you don't, it won't let you join the grid. So log in with Google, say Continue, and then it'll bring you to your accounts page, and then log in with your LBUSD email. So once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the grid that corresponds to your class, and you'll see that there's a topic. For me, it just says test topic. For you, it will say a topic that we want you to answer with your lab groups. From here, you'll need to add a response. To add a response, you're going to click this plus button, and it'll open up your camera. And from here, you can record people at your lab bench. You can record things that you're doing. So to record, you'll need to hold down the record button, and then you can record a chunk of it. And you can do up to a minute on this video. So there's a time limit set for you on how much you can record, and that's in the right-hand corner. You can also change the color of the background for that video you recorded. You can add some text. And move it around. You can add emojis. You can also write something. And you can also make the background white in case you want to just do something that you're recording with your finger on a white background, like you don't want video behind it. So in order to do that, you have to press the record button and do some drawing at the same time. You can also add pictures or a video clip that you've already done. You can also take a look at the topic by clicking this paper button under the X button there. It'll tell you what the topic is. You can get that away. You can also add a sticky note and put some notes on it and move that to where you want it. And then if you want to review and you're ready to go, you click this blue arrow in the bottom right-hand corner. If you want to delete the whole thing, you click delete over here. You can restart or undo the last clip. You can also click undo here, and it'll get rid of some of the stuff that you have written and put on the screen. So you can do many different clips with many different stuff in it. It's just going to keep recording every time that you press the record button. So once you have done that, you can click the record button and click next. After you're done recording your video, you'll need to snap a selfie so that it goes as your thumbnail for when your instructor looks at it, they can see your face. And then you click next, and then you add your name and a title if you want it. And then if you have any links, which you won't, and then you submit your video, and that's it. And then you can return to your grid, and you can see here that there is a response there from you. You can also receive feedback on your videos from your instructors, but you'll have to log in online on your computer in order to see the feedback. As well as your teacher may decide to make all the videos visible in which you can look at other people's videos from the class. And that is the intro to using FlipGrid.